Alright, what's up guys? I want to show you guys a project I just finished up. It's for my son. It's like a children's activity board, they call it. I'm not sure what the real term is. I need to clean it up. But yeah, it's just something for them to like kind of play with and get used to, and some of the things we use on a daily basis, but that we don't realize we learned from early on how to use them, early childhood. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is completed. I got some, just put the stands on, the legs or whatever on right there. And this is just a cutting board right here. This is, and these are just offcuts of another cutting board I had. And I wanted to save some of the cutting board to use inside because we actually need a cutting board. So I used this white one, which kind of looks good. I can't complain. So starting from, I guess, left to right to see what there is to do here. You have like little mirrors here that I didn't even know move, but they move here, which is kind of cool, so the kids can play with that. You can see me in it, and this one moves as well. But so you got a little latch here, just a regular latch. You can unlatch that, and then like I'm not sure what you call this, a lock, latch, I don't know, just like for a padlock. And then once you take that off, it's on a hinge, so you can actually open it. I might actually put a little knob there, thinking of it, a little knob here, that might come in future. But the cool thing about this, you can upgrade it and all that. I'm not sure why. Oh, I need to bolt this down a little more. But yeah, you got this little door here, and it moves up and down, and not supposed to. I need to fix that right now. And then you got this side here, a little lock and a latch, and this one goes up and down too, so you can lock it. You got a zipper, little zipper. Over here we got a light, a turn light, turns on. And just a little carabiner. I'm gonna tie strings here so you can't get it off, but he's not advanced enough to get these off anyway. This one takes quite a bit of strength. I just put it on here, so when he gets strong enough, he'll be able to take that off. You got a little horn, and a bell, and a little lock here. And then a flip light. Oops. It's kind of bright. It's a little light icon. Kind of tells you on and off. Kind of neat. And that's pretty much it. That's all it's got. I was thinking of putting some pictures of his favorite cartoon underneath these doors here. So when he opens them, he sees this little dude. He likes Pocoyo. That's what I've been working on. Turned out okay. I think it's pretty cool. Looks cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that crap. I've been meaning to put videos up. I'm going to put a bunch of videos up and then slowly release them, so it should be pretty consistent. Anyways, peace out, guys. Take care.